think I'll pass on this one.
Elhain, I think he likes you.
Not for long. Well shot! Where did you learn that? Hunting orcs.
The Arbiter cannot bar me forever, Elf. You and I will have our day. Let's keep moving.
Four of them! Come on! Which of you filth dies first today?
Athel, we really don't have time for this.
Very well. Take them. By the light! I'm glad you're on our side.
Yes, just one big happy family, mortal. Move along. The sooner we win, the sooner I'm free of you.
Spread out. The artifact should be here somewhere.
Easy, everyone. Every dragon has a weak spot. If I can hit it just right.
I think I like this dragon.
Well, that could have gone better. Any ideas?
We attack together. On 3. For Teleria! For the Arbiter!
I thought these champions may have been the ones. Yet it seems I have failed. They were not ready. This task now falls to you. I have strength left to restore only one fallen champion to aid you. With their shard remade, they will be bound to your will. But you must choose. So be it. Awaken, warrior. This is your bastion. From here you will summon and train champions to fight the Dark One and his shadow. You have chosen your first champion, but one champion is not an army. Use a mystery shard to summon another champion at the portal. Excellent. You've summoned an attack-type champion with great attack and support skills. Let's head to the campaign map and prepare... Behold, Karok Castle, seat of King Tabor. This is where your journey begins. I fear that the king and his bannerlords have fallen to the shadow. Once noble and just, he has brought war upon his allies and ruin on his... You and your champions must fight through his bannerlords, find him, and see if he has turned to Siroth.
11 generations of peace had reigned between the... A peace now, once revealed, had the king on the orders of the... Even if it...
Karok will not fall easy. This is where you select your team and review the enemy champions before each magic beats spirit, spirit beats force, force beats magic. You have only 2 Well done. Notice that your leader has an aura skill. These provide special bonuses to all allied... The arrows above each enemy's head show how your champion's affinity matches up against theirs. An affinity advantage means a more effective... campaign levels drop artifacts, and here, along with special items, go to your champion collection and equip that. This is where you can view all champions. Each champion can equip. See that? I believe you are ready. Return to Cara. Congratulations, you leveled up. Every time you level up, and here are your rewards from battle. Artifacts can be equipped individually. Special icons will show which artifact sets a champion is. This set boosts your champion's HP by 15%. Life artifacts come in sets of Excellent work. When you upgrade artifacts to certain levels, they gain new. You have learned well. Keep strength.